If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. So let me see. TOP and space.
Hello, my name is Jrekml, also known as Top, from South Korea.
Ooh.
I'm 35 years old.
Oh, he's still
I'm a
young.
musician, actor, and art collector.
Let's go, Top.
I'm so honored to be a crew member of the Dear Moon space project.
So he's actually is going to space.
I have always fantasized about space and the moon since I was young. I applied to Dear Moon because I want to feel new stimulation and enlightenment.
Oh.
When I was chosen as a crew,
Top literally said, like,
I was so happy.
this Earth,
Wow.
I already
Nice to see
am
you again.
Nice to see you.
not stimulated. I need to go to space. Oh, he looks so happy though.
Congratulations.
Oh, he looks actually really happy. Hopefully, safely. Be safe.
MZ has been like a brother to me over the years. He's an entrepreneur, an adventurer who I admire. Also, MZ inspires me.
I mean,
as
it's
an art
Top. I
collector
should expect this. I
and
know.
gives
I
me
should
a lot
expect
of
this too.
advice
He looks so good, by the way.
for my life.
But damn, I didn't actually
As
take
a
that seriously.
Korean
He's actually
citizen and artist, I feel great
Stop.
pride
No
and
way.
responsibility in
good
becoming
luck,
the
Top.
first
Real talk.
Korean civilian going to the moon and representing my country.
The first
For this
Korean
project,
civilian.
I want to support my Dear Moon crew members.
Bro, you telling me he's gonna
When I
like
finally
get
see the
inspired
moon
while up in the
closer,
room and make the
I'll look forward to
best
my personal
motherfucking
growth
song ever out
and
of it.
returning to Earth as an artist with new inspiration.
I didn't start the playlist yet. Sorry.
The moon. I'm not scared to go at all. I'm not afraid of new experiences. Instead,
Bro.
I am honored and humbled to have this experience. And I cannot wait to go to space.
Aw, he's actually.
As a Korean artist, I want Dear Moon to inspire the world, give people hope,
Aw.
and make anyone with a dream feel that anything is possible.
Let's go. Damn, he's here to inspire. Artiste to the fullest. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.